Hi, we're at the Embedded Systems Conference, and I'm here at the Renesas booth speaking with Ritesh Tyagi. He's the Director of MCU, PM, and Solutions Marketing. So Renesas, now you have Mitsubishi, Hitachi, NEC Electronics. What's the strategy going forward?
Great. So, as you know, that microcontroller is the backbone of the unified company, and we do have almost 32% market share in the microcontroller worldwide. So, definitely strategies are built around the microcontroller business unit. And there's two major trends we are seeing in the microcontroller area. One is the high performance, and the second is the low power. So here in this booth, we are actually demonstrating a lot of demos around those two major strategies, where you can see the very low power, ultra low power microcontroller platform, and as well as a very high performance 32-bit controller platform.
Okay, and so you've introduced at the show several new products.
That is correct.
And how many new products today?
So one of the major line that we have introduced is called RL78, which is our 8 and 16-bit product line, and it's a true low power controller platform. And then we have expanded our RX microcontroller line that we have introduced a year ago, and there's a big expansion of the ecosystem of the RX product line that we are introducing over here.
Okay, and I understand now you have some demos you're going to show us?
That is correct. We have lots of demo over here, but I'll focus on some of the key demos and walk you around with those demos.
Okay, great.
So here what we are demonstrating our very brand new platform called RL78 that we have introduced. And this demo actually showing a wireless sensor network demo, where there's two, you can take a look, two demo boards over here, which are connected to the Wi-Fi, and this is 802.11n Wi-Fi. On the screen, you can see a lot of different sensors are blinking. So for example, M for motion, humidity, a light sensor, and temperature. And these all sensors are actually being connected to this Wi-Fi network and being driven by this RL78 platform. So this is a simple demonstration platform for RL78. So any customer who would like to develop the solution based on RL78, they can use this simple board, and with that, it comes with our E1 on-chip debugger, and all the softwares are also available on a CD. So any customer who wants to design the solution around RL78 can design with the help of this board. So this is here what we are showing our 32-bit product line, which is called RX, which we have launched a year ago. And this is expansion of our RX product line, where the products are available now with the CAN, Ethernet, and USB. In this demo, what we are showing, this is an elevator demo, which is based on a CAN network. Also, there are connectivity that we are showing through the Zigbee. There's two Zigbee modules over here. And then, for example, if I hit the button for this elevator to come down the second floor, now this elevator is coming down to the second floor, and this whole communication is being done via CAN and Ethernet. Or if you want to just come down to the ground floor, then the elevator is going to come down to the ground floor. So you can see that here is the main board, which has been connected to these two sub-module board via CAN, and also it demonstrates the Zigbee connectivity.
Okay, now Mitch, this is Mitch Ferguson. He's a senior apps engineer with Renesas. And Mitch, I see you're working with two new products. One is for touch, and one is for haptics.
Yes, so one of the big changes in the HMI or human interface is now to go capacitive touch, like you see on the touch phones, etc. So we're introducing two new products. First of all, we have the capacitive touch devices, the RHC33T over here, which give the nice clean interface, no mechanical parts, excellent cost benefit. One of the things that people are sometimes hesitant about with capacitive touch is there's no mechanical feedback. So one of the enhancements to this is a different technology called haptics. And what haptics brings is the ability to put mechanical feedback to a capacitive touch switch.
Okay. So now you're going to show us a quick demo of these?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so this is our capacitive touch interface board. And as you can see, as I touch here, what you're getting up on this workbench, which allows tuning and easy engineering interface, is you see the action on the touch button, the dark red showing that it's been touched, and then a no touch condition. So very easy to tune, very easy for an engineer to set up. And then we are showing here the 18-channel model. Here we have a 36-channel model. So here's the 36 channel, and you can see as I touch the individual sensors, the corresponding LED goes on. But as I said, in this, there's no feedback through my finger, except for the touch. So then we would move to the haptics, which will provide the mechanical feedback and make this feel like a real interaction with the switch. So this one is showing a touch screen, and you can see basically a Windows screen, and I can move the cursor, and at the same time I'm getting a mechanical feedback to my finger that makes me realize that I don't have to push any harder. So you actually get better feedback and you get better response for the customer. So in the secondary demo here we have a thermostat application, and as I push this button, I get even without having to look at it, I get good feedback on when I have activated the switch. That's the beauty of haptics, which we see now in cell phones and many other applications.